How to add stickers in Picsart. Let's make your image pop by adding some creative stickers in Picsart. Once you are in the editor, click on the Stickers tab from the left-hand menu. Search for a theme or keyword like aesthetic, funny, or emoji. Click on any sticker you like to add it directly to your canvas. Resize, rotate or reposition it wherever you want on your image. When finished, click apply and then export your project. What kind of stickers do you usually go for? Fun, stylish or cute? Let me know in the comments below. Add multiple stickers and layer them creatively to tell a story in your design. That's how you can add stickers in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.